What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. Now, ladies fam, Milady's fam, I got something special for you guys in this video. I think even 1 billion ladies, right? Because I recently made a video saying 10 billion. I think that's the sweet spot for, you know, a lady's bag. But even 1 billion ladies could be potentially great for you to make some very nice gains in the future, right? I know a lot of people don't have a ton to invest, so I'm saying even if you just have 1 billion ladies, that's gonna be some nice gains, right? We're gonna dive into it because these projects are more high risk, but guess what? They reap higher reward. The more risk you take, the more rewards you take. Always remember, I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space, because it is very risky and very volatile. Now, why I think ladies could absolutely crush it in the future is because of Elon. That one Elon tweet is all it takes, right? That Elon tweet is now cemented in history. The Elon tweet that he put out with ladies, there is no meme. I love you. I'll pull up the tweet for you guys so you could take a look at it. And also, because of the Milady's NFT community, the Milady's NFTs growing in popularity. We saw what Bored Ape Yacht Club did with how much hype they raised. We saw what CryptoPunks did with how much hype they raised and awareness and how much they've been developing. It's gonna be the same thing with the Milady's NFTs, and as the Milady's NFTs grow, we don't just have to worry about Elon tweets only. Even though we got that cherry on top, we could also think about the potential of the Milady's NFTs becoming successful. That in turn will, you know, give more success in the future to the Milady meme coin project. Right now sitting at $33.43 million in market cap. 17,000 people have it on their watch list. $14.4 million in 24-hour trade volume. That's insane trade. That is some crazy trade volume. And we saw that it made this nice move up. You know, if you got in back here, you know, I made a quick buy, then boom, quick 2x, you know. I'm still gonna be riding my bags. I don't care what happens, because I'm not over investing into projects like this, right? I'm not over investing, but I'm gonna, you know, have some exposure just in case, because I like gains, right? I like gains, so I'm gonna get some exposure. So it's having a bit of a retrace right now. I'm not too worried about it. Now, obviously, this is why you never buy the green, right? They had people that was buying up here. You don't buy the top of green candles. You always buy the red. You buy when projects are down. So yeah, like I was saying, guys, long term for me, this project could absolutely crush it in a bull run. And let's go and take a look at how much right now is 1 billion ladies. So right now 1 billion ladies is $45. So let's round it off to 2 to 3 billion. 2 to 3 billion ladies, guys. Around $250. Let's say that. Let's say $200, right? You know, let's say that, right? $200, maybe $150, $300, in that range. $100 to $300, right? For the thumbnail, I'm gonna keep it at 1 billion just because it's more, you know, eye-catching, obviously. But $100 to $300 in the ladies project. You know, you're not breaking the bank here, but you could make crazy gains from that, right? A 10x to 100x on $200 to $300. 10x, $2,000. 100x on $200, right? $20,000. You're not happy from turning $200 into $20,000 or $300 into $30,000. I really think 100x is possible here with Milady's meme coin because of all the things I went through. Let's also take a look at, you know, what happened with, for example, Baby Doge. Baby Doge came out, was bubbling for a bit on BSC, you know, going about its day, making a ton of noise, community was growing, and then boom, Elon tweet, peak bull market Elon tweet. right? Peak bull market Elon tweet, and then after that the project exploded to billions of market cap, guys. I remember it clear as day. I remember it clear as day. Elon put out baby doge do, right? And then the project absolutely exploded, right? You can't rule out these possibilities, guys. These are the things that could potentially happen. You never know if Elon tweets another Milady meme in the future too. 66.6k followers on Twitter. The memes keep coming, you know, the activity keeps happening. There's a ton of engagement, you know. Milady doing yoga right now. You gotta love the Miladies, right? And again, I think they're tapping into a community that you know, the women in crypto are, to me, is not a big thing, right? It's not a very big thing. So the Miladies project could be the symbol that women in crypto use to represent themselves, right? As well as the NFT projects. When the NFTs do great for Miladies, I also think the Milady coin, meme coin, will do great as well. And you can see Baby Doge, and then all of a sudden, you know, the project Baby Doge exploded. And Baby Doge right now is still sitting at, what is it sitting at right now? What market cap? Right now, Milady's at 33 million market cap. Baby Doge right now, give it some time to load. But yeah, guys, you guys could also see a lot of tweets tagging ladies. Just scroll through the Twitter, ladies, of course. Constant tweets, constant engagement. Yes, that dip today was delicious, ladies. Right, constant engagement for the project. I'm starting a meme tryout with a bunch of ladies. Just bought a bag more. I believe the next level up is around the corner. I look forward to seeing this tweet age well. Pray for me. Pray for me. Ladies love me. You're going to want some of this. Ladies is crushing it. So Baby Doge right now sitting at 217 mil market cap. And when Elon tweeted it out, it absolutely went crazy, went to billions, right? Think around a billion or 2 billion, somewhere around that range. And I think this next bull market is gonna be even crazier, right? So let's go, man. Milady, let's always remember this moment, guys, because it's gonna be cemented in history. My internet is taking forever to load, guys. I know you guys can see that, man. I'm trying to pull these tweets up and everything for you to see, but for some reason my internet is causing me problems, man. I have no idea why. Fake eardrops and all that stuff. But yeah, never forget this moment, man, from Elon. There is no meme I love you. That is always gonna be there in history. So yeah, $200 to $300, man. $100 into ladies. $100 is 2.2 billion. $300 is 6.5 billion, and $200 is 4.3 billion. So even 1 to 5 billion. $100 to $300. Any amount like that could give you guys a potential 10 to 100x from here, right? Don't rule that out. Elon Musk, there is no meme I love you. If you hold the project, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. If this is your first time hearing about the project, let me get your thoughts. This is one of the meme coins I think is going to be around in the next cycle, man. I really do think it has lasting power. Also, guys, before you go, please become a Patreon. I personally recommend my Crypto Elite tier. I'll give you access to my buy alerts, sell alerts, and my private Discord. There's altcoins that I'm interested in that I won't bring to YouTube. I'll share them in the Patreon first, okay? I'm sharing all the great altcoins that I think could crush it in the Patreon first. And then, you know, you guys could talk one-on-one with me. We could go back and forth and learn new things together, right? And as I grow, any information I get, anything I get better at, I will be sharing with the patrons in my Crypto Elite and even my Crypto Sniper tee. I'll give you guys some, you know, some sprinkles here and there. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, Milady's holders, Milady's fam, and everyone else that is a part of the channel. I truly appreciate everyone that's tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, make this video go viral, make these previous ladies videos go viral, 10,000 views a piece, and I'll catch you in the next one.